Welcome to the quick tutorial on how to make fast art using Starry AI. First, in the bubble under the words Enter Prompt, you're going to type what you would like AI to create. For this example, I'm going to use dinosaur in the city. Once you have your prompt, right beneath that, you're going to find the little tiny bubble called Add Styles with a paint set. When you click on that, you're going to get some style choices for your artwork. For my art today, I'm going to choose storybook illustration and watercolor. Once you have your style, scroll back up to the top and in the right corner, click that X. Now you're going to scroll past initial image all the way to variations with that square and the 4 dots. Variations is the number of art pieces you're going to get. I'm going to stick with 4, so I have some choices. After that, you're going to scroll down to Advanced Settings. You'll see Advanced Settings is on right here with that green bubble. You're going to first select your canvas size. You'll only have one option for the free version, which is portrait mode, and it already selected it for me. After that, I'm going to go to Runtime. Runtime is how much time AI will spend creating your art. The higher iterations you choose, the better your artwork will be, so I'm going to select 150 iterations. Once I've selected that, all I have to do is hit the big green create button at the bottom and voila! I now just have to wait for my artwork to be made into my creations. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to use Starry AI.